Little baby, you got it, swear you the hottest product of your environment. Let's get away, hit the tropics. Anything you want, I cop it, baby. Humorous intellect with a smile that just drive me crazy. Yeah, that's my...
What's up, y'all? I'm coming back to y'all with 2 videos back to back. So let's get into this thing. I'm about to show y'all how I put my boss lashes on for beginners. I'm gonna be using the IMB Iconic Collection natural lashes. These are probably one of my favorite lashes just because I kind of go for like the more natural look. I'm not one to be walking around like these, but to each his own. Some of y'all like that, but that's just not me. So first, let's take them out the package. Got these boys strapped up in here. Alright. Okay, so before you even want to put the lashes on, you want to trim them to your eye, because a lot of the times they are way too long. So I'm just gonna measure them up to my eye. Like that. And I'm gonna snip. These are my scissors. The excess lash. Okay. Alright. So I usually use the hair glue, but my stupid left the top off and it's all dried up. So we gonna have to use this Ardell lash adhesive. This actually is not bad, but I will say it don't last as long as the hair glue. But I feel like it's kind of better on y'all lashes. So we're gonna use some of this. I won't be using any tweezers just because it's easier for me to just use my hands. So I'm just putting the glue, not too much, but you know, just gonna just probably about like that, just to kind of cover it. And then I'm gonna fan it so it can dry. It'll get a little tacky. So I'm just putting it on my lash line, like right on, as you can see, like right there. I'm gonna hold just to make sure it's on there real good, because we can on there real good. And that's the final look. So I'm just gonna do the other one. just showed you how I put on the falsies. And now they all on bleak. Make sure if you like this video, you give it a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video.